What is good, guys? I hope you're all having an awesome day and welcome back to another video. Well, today we're just going to take the Falcon for a cruise. I got some brakes to bed in, I got some Ks to get up for the new built transmission. I know that this week for certain we will be getting that thing up and running back up to its 620 horsepower mark. But today we're not going to be getting even close to that. We're just going to be cruising up through the mountains. We got Max's XR8. We're also going to be going on with Winter XR6 on the vlog. Well, yeah, Luke in real life. So yeah, it's going to be a lot of fun. Hope you guys are keen. Alright, so we're in the Falcon at the moment. I think the plan is we're going to go up to Clear Mountain, have a bit of a run through, then we're going to head down to Samford and go to the pub for a lunch. For a thick, juicy palmy. So we got Max's thick, juicy XR8 here. We got my not so thick XR6 turbo. It's going to be good fun. Will Max do a pull? 100% I know he will. Guys, so up in front of us we have Brandon in the 1/1 Velvet F6. We got Max in his Octane XR8, and then we got an NA in front of us, Luke's NA, and that one there is a just a Mark II XR6, but it's still a beautiful car. And then we got my slow, yeah, very slow POS. It's just a nice little cruise, boys. Brembo brakes are beautiful too. Pedal feel's definitely changed up a little bit since yesterday. It's so much more linear. I love it. Apparently Brandon's had a few little issues with his car. Where is it? All goods?
Just now, come on.
Oh, the Joy.
Yeah, it's right there. You can see it on the driver's side.
Oh. Ooh.
It's fucking hot there.
Not from the overflow?
Well, I just seen it pissing out front there.
Oh, I thought that top hose would have been. Oh, that's right. Mark IIs are different, aren't
I
they?
don't want to get too close because it's fucking hot.
Do you know exactly where it's coming out from? Or?
That'd be the return. We're getting really hot, but
Yeah.
on this side, so you see it? Well, can see it's all wet on the subframe. So,
Oops, sorry. I'm a little confused.
it's not your heater core or anything.
check your floor.
Oh, yeah.
Check your floor.
Check your floor, Brandon.
Is your floor wet?
On this side, I'm pretty sure.
No, we're dry here. Yep, no, you're sweet. Your heater core is still intact, which is good.
So it's just hot.
Just now, it looks pretty hot though. Yeah, that's.
Well, it's just all down your subframe, so I'd say it's coming out of this. It's just dried up with the heat.
But like, wouldn't it? You'd see
Yeah,
marks.
you can see the white marks. Yeah,
I
it's
think
all
they're old marks.
Yeah, but because
That's
you've got so much heat in the
That's not hot at all.
they're not hot.
It's not.
Oh, that's weird, hey?
Yeah.
Oh, alright.
Because the fucking wastegates were like steaming when we pulled up.
Yeah. But it's not. It's stopped leaking though. It's not dripping out now. It's
Not your water line from the turbo?
But it's stopped.
Yeah,
though.
I reckon
It's
that's
not
what
like it's
it
constantly
would be.
leaking out. It's stopped.
There's no pressure with that at all.
No
Oh,
problem.
really? Oh, weird.
Yeah. Well,
Has it only just happened?
Yeah.
Yeah, right.
yeah, there's no pressure.
Is there any coolant in there?
That is a negative.
Shit.
Stuff in there this morning. I checked it.
So that's the wrong thing here.
You ready, cut?
Yeah, I think that's where it's coming
Show us again, sorry?
There's actually another split there.
So,
too.
so you dump.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, so you dump pipes.
Yeah, that's why I was smoking out the dump.
That's
Yeah.
it's got white on it too. Yeah.
Yeah.
Ah, we found it.
Beautiful.
Right,
Yay.
we don't have to
That's not
panic
as bad as I
about
thought it was going to be.
The best part about that is it didn't break inside your interior, otherwise that would have
Yeah.
been interior.
Yeah, it would have been,
Yeah,
yeah.
fucking everything.
And your floor would be.
Remember why I ripped out the whole interior?
Yes.
It was because of that, but it happened on the inside of the car. Yeah, not fun.
Okay, you're lucky. You survived,
Can we
mate.
block that off?
Yeah.
Yeah, certainly. So literally, you just take off that one hose that goes to the top there and route it around to where it comes out of the heater. The only thing is you'll only have cold aircon.
I don't care.
And it's like a 35-degree day, so you're sweet.
Yeah, we all had windows down anyways.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, well.
That would explain it, because I like...
Let's go have lunch.
Alright, so we've all had a beer each, come here with new ideas about what it could possibly be, and all of them are chucked out the window.
We'll just get drunk on.
So we'll just get drunk. We'll start selling body parts for beers. But it seems to sort of nail it down to somewhere down here. What I thought was originally split isn't, unfortunately, because it looks like they've just cut it and then just put it all back together just to shorten those lines, because this dump is absolutely huge, and this car's also twin gate, so there's not much room down there. So where all those lines go down actually touches the external gates, so the only thing we can think of is chucking coolant in it and see how we go. I think your dump may be cracked too at the bottom. I think your dump might be cracked too at the bottom. Yeah, have a look straight through the wheel well right here. You can kind of see it. It's not dripping yet.
Yeah.
You can see it straight through there. On the very bottom there.
Oh yeah.
Must be where you've just bottomed out on something, or...
When we dump, hurry up to that racking.
Yeah, potentially. Oh, we're dripping now. Yeah, I just saw one drop. It's coming from on top of the trans. I'll quickly turn the car off so we don't lose too much of it. But it's definitely a slow leak on top of the trans right now.
Top of the train?
Yes. Alright guys, so my camera ended up dying pretty much after this clip, so I thought I'd give you guys a little bit of a clarification. We ended up staying down there for probably about another half hour or so. We just couldn't find this leak whatsoever. We jacked up the car using just some of the jacks that we had out of some of the Falcons and stuff like that and jumped under it. As it turns out, where the wastegate comes down, basically where everything collects to, the turbo, the heater core and everything goes down into like a Y piece and goes down to sort of like, I don't know where it goes. But anyway, everything collects into this one little bit that was actually touching the gate that was there. So unfortunately it just heated up and just cracked through the line, and it was just letting out a slow but steady stream of coolant. So unfortunately we couldn't get any tools back up there, we couldn't get any lines. We had a few tools down there but nothing that could really fix it. The actual hose clamp was facing upwards underneath the turbo exhaust manifold, which was very hot, and the external gate. So unfortunately we couldn't sort that out, and unfortunately we had to get it towed back home. It was just a little bit too much of a leak to risk just driving back home. So anyway, ended up getting it towed home, so it was no issues whatsoever. He's going to fix it up over the next couple of days, and it was no issues whatsoever. Just a bit unfortunate, but lucky it didn't happen on the mountain, and lucky it happened down in Sanford where we went for lunch. So we ended up just going to the pub and just having some fun. So anyway guys, thank you so much everyone for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace out.